In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the logo width and size on your Shopify website design. Logos are a crucial element in your online store because they represent your brand and first impressions count. Sometimes, however, the logo doesn't look quite right on your site, and that's what we're going to tackle today. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify site's editor. This is where most of the magic happens, allowing you to customize the look and feel of your online store. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll notice a gear icon there. Go ahead and click it. This will open up your theme settings, a crucial area where you can make adjustments to various visual aspects of your site, including the all-important logo. Next, within these theme settings, you'll see an option labeled Logo. Go ahead and select that. Here, you have the ability to not only change the actual logo, but also adjust its width. By carefully tweaking the width, you can improve how the logo fits within the header, ensuring that it looks just perfect. The interface is intuitive, so you should find it quite straightforward to make these changes. Sometimes, a simple adjustment is all that's needed to achieve a more balanced and appealing look. But what if adjusting the width within Shopify doesn't resolve the issue? The logo might still not appear as you envision, even after making these changes. If that's the case, the next step involves a bit of external fine-tuning. You might need to open up an image editing tool like Canva or any similar software that you're comfortable using. What you'll want to do here is manually adjust the logo image itself. A common issue is excess empty space around the logo, which can throw off its alignment and size on your store's page. By cropping these unnecessary spaces in an editing tool, you streamline the logo, making it fit much better within the defined space on your Shopify site. And really, that's all there is to it. A few simple tweaks in Shopify followed, if needed, by some image editing can completely transform how your logo looks, ensuring it shines as a professional representation of your brand. As always, ensuring your brand's image is properly represented on your website is key to making a great first impression with your visitors.